want to ensure that by the time we leave here, he understands about club license, not understand club licensing regulations, the latest. We talk about it so much, our competition, BDC, and the catalog of sanctions that we do.
We have developed since 2016, 2017. Every year we have made strides, and I can tell you that our Premier League clubs have really done very, very well, bearing the circumstances. As you know, we suffered with the suspension, so that disrupted the whole affair.
The rules, I would say, are flexible. CAF does not impose any rule on a federation. What happened is that CAF has its own club licensing regulations. Member associations are supposed to adopt that regulation by picking minimum criteria. For instance, if you are playing in the CAF Champions League or the CAF CC, the Confederation Cup, the requirements you are supposed to meet may be different from national regulation.